Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 4 part 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Today I want to describe about polynomial because polynomial is new for you. So you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is very easy. Clear? A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about polynomial. Means type of polynomials. Polynomial are two types. First term based polynomial, second degree based polynomial. Term based polynomial are many. Namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Term based polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. Degree based polynomial are many. Namely linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Linear polynomial has 1 0 means one answer. Quadratic polynomial have 2 0 means 2 answers. Cubic polynomial have 3 zeros means 3 answers. Biquadratic polynomial have 4 or more than 4 zeros means 4 or more than 4 answers. It is clear? Form of linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Form of biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about polynomial. Means how you can solve given polynomial. How you can find your answer. Clear? You can solve given polynomial by two methods. First remainder theorem, second factor theorem. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means Px equal to Gx multiply Qx plus Rx. Here Px is dividend, Gx is divisor, Qx is quotient and Rx is remainder. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe how you can factorize given polynomial. Firstly you split middle term and then make two pair and take common each pair, and in this way you can solve your questions and you can factorize given polynomial. Very easy. It is very easy. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share it in your friends. My words is clear? Concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4 question 4 factorize part 4 3x square minus x minus 4. It is given polynomial. It is clear? Here middle term minus minus x is middle term. It is clear? Here minus x is middle term. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You split it and then make two pair and take common in each pair. In this way you can solve it very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here 3 before x square. So you multiply 3 and 4. Here 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. You factorize 12. You divide 2. You divide 12 by 2. You find 6. 6 divided by 2 you find 3. 3 divided by 3 you find 1. 1 divided by 1 you find 1. It means factor of 12 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. It is factor of 12. Now you make pair of factors. Now you make pair of factors. Here 2 2 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3. 2 2 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3. It is clear? If you subtract 4 from 3, then it become minus 1. It is clear? If you multiply 4 and 3, it become 12. It means your process is correct. Clear? You can write here px equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. You can write it as. Clear? Here you split middle term in this way. Minus 4x plus 3x become minus x. It means your process is right. Clear? You make two pair. First pair and second pair. Take common in first pair and then take common in second pair. Clear? Here you can take common x. Here become 3x, here 4. If you multiply x and 3x, it becomes 3x square. It means it is right. If you multiply x and minus 4, it becomes minus 4x. It means it is right. It is clear? Here plus. You can take common 1. Here in second term. Second pair, you can take common 1. If you multiply 1 and 3x, it becomes 3x. It means here you can write 3x and here minus 4. If you multiply 1 and 3x, it becomes 3x. It means it is right. If you multiply 1 and minus 4, it becomes minus 4. It means it is right. Here in second brackets, in first brackets, 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 are same. It means your process is correct. Clear? You can write it as 3x minus 4 in one bracket and x plus 1 in second bracket. It is your answer. P x equal to in first bracket 3x minus 4 in second bracket x plus 1. It is factor of given polynomial. So you can write it as px equal to 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 3x minus 4 in one bracket, x plus 1 in second bracket. Answer. It is factor of given polynomial. You factorize very easily. You solve your question very easily. In this way you can solve any question. You can factorize any polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution, by factorization method. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? Very good. Okay.